3, 2, 1, start. The Governor of the Punjab shall be the Chancellor of the University. Full stop. The Chancellor or his nominee shall preside at the convocation of the University and the meetings of the Senate. Full stop. If the Chancellor is satisfied that the proceedings of any authority are not in accordance with the provisions of this act, the statutes, the regulations or the rules, he may, after calling upon such authority to show cause why such proceedings should not be annulled by order in writing, annual and proceedings, every proposal to confer an honorary degree shall be subject to confirmation by the Chancellor. Full stop. The Chancellor shall have the power to assent to such statutes as are required to be submitted to him by the Senate, or withhold assent or refer them back to the Senate for reconsideration. Full stop. New paragraph. The Chancellor may remove any person from the membership of any authority if such person has become of unsound mind or has been incapacitated to function as member of such authority, or has been convicted by a court of law of an offense involving moral turpitude, has failed to attend 3 consecutive meetings of the authority, or has accepted any assignment which involves his absence from the university for a continuous period of 6 months or more. Full stop. Provided that no order under this subsection shall be passed unless the person to be affected thereby is afforded an opportunity of being heard. Full stop. New paragraph. In the performance of his functions under the Act, the Chancellor shall act and be bound in the same manner as the Governor of the province acts and is bound under Article 105 of the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Full stop. The Chancellor may, of his own motion or otherwise, call for and examine the record of any proceedings in which an order has been passed by any authority for the purpose of satisfying himself as to the correctness, legality or propriety of any finding or order, and may pass such orders as he may deem fit. Full stop. Provided that no order under this section shall be passed unless the person to be affected thereby is afforded an opportunity of being heard. Full stop.